Hey guys, it's Jesper here, and in today's video I will show you exactly how I find winning products for my Google Ads dropshipping stores that make me 100k per month. This framework I apply every time when I launch a new Google Ads dropshipping store. As you guys can see here in the dashboard, I created a new store around August 27, August 26th, and we crossed yesterday the first 2k day in dollars, 1.9k in euros. So this method that I'm going to show you guys how I find winning products is the same framework that I used for this store, and we did 2k in exactly 5 weeks. We even hit our first 1k day after running the ads for 3 weeks. So this is a very easy method, and it's a proven method that works every time. Even in the community, by the way, we use this as well every time. So if you guys see here in the wins, we have many sales that people are getting right now, and these people are using the exact same method, but I'm going to show you guys for free in this video. So first of all, what we do, we go to Google. In Google, I search for I search from, because this website will bring you to a native country where you can search for the Google Ads. Because right now, while I'm recording this one, I'm in Bali, so I cannot search for products in my current target market. So let's say we want to target the United States. So first of all, we're going to do United States, and we're going to do English as a language. Then first of all, we're gonna search for some keywords that we're gonna use for our market. So let's say you want to do a store in the pet niche. The pet niche is one of the most profitable niches, to be honest, especially in the United States. A lot of people have pets in their homes. So let's say we want to sell a famous dog bed. So we click on search, and now we find winning products that people are selling in this market, and we can just search for dropshippers, because these dropshippers, we can borrow their content and their products to put it on our own. So how do I find these dropshippers? Well, I take a look at these reviews in Google. Normally the dropshippers don't have any reviews. So you have this Chowdy's Place, you have Little Road Shop, and the Prima. The only bad thing about this website is you cannot click on it. So now we just need to find it later on Google. So now we need to Google Little Road Shop, and you will find the exact same product. But now you can see exactly what kind of products people are selling. You can even install the AliExpress app on your phone, and you can just make a screenshot of the image of this one, for example, and you will immediately find the same product. So this is the first way how I use this website I search from to get into my target country. So you can do this for any market. So even if you want to search for cat bed, it will do the same thing, and here you find amazing products that you want to sell as well. So now maybe you're thinking, yeah, but Jesper, I don't know what kind of niche I want to use. So that means that we're going to do one step back. So what we're going to do, we go to google.com again, and now we just type in Amazon movers and shakers. This is the biggest platform that has the biggest traffic in the world, Amazon.com. So if you go to movers and shakers, you will instantly see what people are selling on Amazon. And the funny thing is, exactly what people are selling on Amazon is exact same products that you can sell on your Google Ads dropshipping stores, because Amazon has a shit ton of traffic that we can leverage, and we're going to use this for our Google Ads store. So let's see if we have something around pets. Yeah, pet supplies, we have pet supplies. So let's see what people are actually selling on Amazon and movers and shakers. So you have this water resistant cat litter box. So here we instantly see the cat litter box training. So I go back and I type in cat littering mat. I believe it was something like this. Yes, exactly. So here you see even this listing is for Amazon, and you see they sell it for way more expensive than Amazon, while it is probably the same product. This is why you don't need to worry about the competition with Amazon. People see your product in here, they see this one as the first, they will click on it and they will instant buy. So you have this from Chewy.com, you have multiple Chewy.com, you can see them here as well. Modcat, here Amazon as well. So you find amazing products in here. Mio Wish, well, funny names. But here you can instantly see the products that people are selling, and you just need to find these on AliExpress and put them on your Google Ads store, which is very easily. So let's go back to Amazon movers and shakers and go back to the pet supplies. So first of all, what we have seen was this cat litter box, training mat. So we can watch more products in here as well. This is a deterrent device, stops bad behavior, okay. A lot of pet supplies in the supplement niche as well. So we have a lot of foods, etc. But this is just amazing, because here you see as well the PQ self-cleaning sticker brush for dogs. So here we go back again, brush for dogs, brush for dogs, and you will find amazing products as well. So here I already see that Chewy.com, I believe it's a big brand as well. You see that these guys are selling a shit ton of products on Google. They are selling a shit ton of products. So we already found them by using I search from. We also found them on Amazon. No, not on Amazon, but the same products they are selling on Amazon as well. And now what we also can do is the Google Ads Transparency Center. This is the same as the Facebook Ads Library, but then only for Google. So what we're gonna do in here is we type in United States, all platforms, and we find Chewy.com. Here you go. If the URL is not showing up, this means that they're not running Google Ads. So now we can see all their active Google Ads, and we can see that these guys are running a shit ton of ads on Google. These guys are printing literally on Google. So this means that there is a huge demand. So if we want to see the demand, we go to the second method, or even the third method, what we're using right now, and that is the keyword planner from Google Ads. You just need to go to your Google Ads account and go to tools and then keyword planner, and then you can click on start with keywords. If you did not spend a shit ton of money with your Google Ads account, maybe this is a little bit limited. You need to spend a little bit more money on your Google Ads account, but this is to see how much search volume a product is getting. So now we have found dog brush. So now that's just what we're gonna do. Dog brush, we get results. United States, English, and let's see how many people are searching for it. Dog brush, 12,000 monthly searches, which is pretty good to be honest. Above 10K is very healthy. Oh, here you find even a dog toothbrush. So now we can even go back to the search form and we can do dog toothbrush. And we'll see what people are selling there as well. Okay, here we find amazing products as well. These products are all, you can find them all on AliExpress. You can find them literally all. So it makes sense, you put in these products and you put them in your Google Ads dropshipping store and you will be printing. This is exactly what we do every time. Let's see if we can find some other cool stuff as well. So we did dog bed as well for the first time. So let me see, dog bed, get results. Let me see. Dog bed is getting a shit ton of results. You see, 165,000 monthly searches. It's insane. So you have even an indestructible dog bed, which is also searched a lot. So we go back, we type on here, and we search for it. And here you see K9 Ballistics. This is a very big brand, by the way, but this is very good. I don't know if we have it on AliExpress as well. So we type in dog beds, and here you find another shit ton of products with what people are selling. Here you see even the same one that we have found while we were searching for dog beds. So you see many products that you can sell. You can even use the same product description for these products because you don't need to change a lot. Maybe the size and maybe the material that it is used for, but you can just use the same product description for this one. This is exactly what we normally do. We go back to Amazon movers and shakers if we don't know yet what kind of niche we want to sell in. So if you don't know the niche, go to movers and shakers, see on the left side what people are actually selling. So if you maybe want to go into the baby niche, which is the exact same method, you see everything that is being sold. So here you see the pack and play mattress, play mattress bed, play mattress bed. So let me see if we can baby play mattress bed. And here you find many products that people are selling as well. And you see a lot of people are selling a nice cute play mats. So what we're gonna do is baby play mat, and you find amazing mats as well. These are beautiful, by the way. Look at the images. So how do I know which product is going to sell? I always check the images. So first of all, these images look very clean, very clean. This, for example, is pretty bad. Look, this is, I would never sell this kind of product. It looks pretty bad, so this is something that I don't. But I always check how the quality of the images is. These images are beautiful. It's beautiful. So these will be the same products that I would list on my store. So now we are even found a second niche, which is very nice, which is the bed or the baby niche. So let's go back to the baby niche and see what people are selling here as well. Diapers, you don't want to go there maybe. Oh, the corner protector, which is number 4. Corner protector for baby. Corner protector for baby. Here you go as well. Okay, you see a lot of products here being sold. Low average order value. So guys, I went back into the Google Ads keyword planner. I typed in baby mat, and here you guys see exactly that it is getting some searches. It is growing, by the way, so this is good. Baby play mat. Here you guys see exactly 40,500 Google searches per month and a CPC between 19 cents and 1.39, which is amazing. It's amazing. So now we have found already 2 niches that we're able to sell in with a lot of great products, because this is just look at how huge of a collection is available on AliExpress to sell these products. So you just need to pick some products and you put them on your store, use some nice titles, optimize them with ChatGPT, and you will be printing. And this is the exact same method that I'm teaching in my community. So guys, if you're still not in there, you guys should really come in here, because you guys see we get every day some crazy wins, especially the first sales are coming in like crazy. People are doing his first 1K day, first sale, GMC's got approved, because this is very important as well, the Google Merchant Center. We will show you exactly how to get approved as well. People are making 10K, people get 10K as well, 5K days. So here someone is doing 2.3K a day, which is amazing. 1K a day. People are making a shit ton of money with this exact same method. So the link to the community is in the description. I hope you found this valuable. This is exactly the same way that I use every time to find winning products that make me 100K per month. And by the way, the store that I showed you guys, it will be doing soon 100K per month. The store is open and public in the community. So if you want to know what kind of products we are selling, what market we are targeting, how we set up the ads, you can join the community and you guys will instantly see how we have done it. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.